Hello, this is Matilda and welcome to my YouTube channel, Matilda Tour. Today I'm gonna go and buy a new backpack for traveling. I do have backpack for camping or hiking, but I need another one for traveling. So let's go to the Decathlon and see what they have there. Okay, there we are. My heaven. Really, it has everything and with a good quality. Okay, this is all the backpack that they have. I tried this one. It's so big for me. This one I like it and it's good, but it's big again. So I'm thinking about this one maybe, or this one. I'm not sure yet. This one is 40, this one 50. I don't know. I should check more.
Mağazamızda bulamıyor musun?
Değişmiyor diye biliyorum açıkçası. İsterseniz bakalım. Aradaki mesafeyi istiyorsunuz. Maalesef bunda değişmiyor.
I'm back. As I told you, they didn't let me to record video at Decathlon, so I'm gonna show you what I bought at the end. So I was thinking about two different backpacks, but one of them it was too tight here for me, so I couldn't use it. At the end, I've got this cutie. This is 50 liter and the brand is Pro Plus. It's for Decathlon and the quality is really good. For traveling, it's important to have two type of unfolded. One of them is from the top, as usual other backpacks, so you can access from here. Another one is from here. See, you can unfold it from here, and then there you go. You have access to everything that you have, and it's really convenient, especially when you are traveling city by city every day, and then you need to access one thing and you don't want to unpack everything and again pack it. So it's really good option, this one. And it has a pocket inside it, and let me zip it. Just a second. Also, it has two pockets here. It's really good for sandals or shoes or this kind of things. And also there is another zip here, pocket here, and you can unfold it from here, put everything this side, and you know that because of this part, it means that it is 15 liter, but you can add more. When you add more, you can do this, you know, you have more space here. Usually they call it 50 plus 10. And the other option of this backpack that is making it really good, look at this handles. And there is, let me show you, there is this small things here. You can adjust it to the back and to keep it, you know, make it tight like this. When you fix it, adjust it, it will be tight and stick on your back. So in this case, you don't feel hurt or pain here. And of course, you should close this one as well. So the pain or the weight of this backpack when you get it full, so it will be here, not on your back, and you know there is a still on back, but you know it divided, so it would be, you don't feel it that much weight because of this part. So it's really good. I also got this rain cover. How can I do this? Okay, like this. This is the rain cover and it's waterproof. And look at this color. I like it. So yeah. For rainy weather, it's really good option. And also I use it when I put my backpack to the luggage for flight. I've got this backpack and this rain cover just for 60 USD. So the price is really good, and usually the quality of Decathlon is really good. I have pens, shoes, thermos, many things from Decathlon, and they live for a long time, really. So I'm really happy for my shopping today. So stay tuned for more videos on this channel. See you.